It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, we will continue with our Naukari series topic Venn diagrams. Yesterday मैंने basics discuss किया और I have started 3 variable Venn diagrams. So let us see some more questions on 3 variable Venn diagrams, all the PYQs which were asked in different examinations, and also I have given you the basics of 2 variables. We will solve the questions regarding that. So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma and these are my scores in different examinations and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Now, many students were asking me the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when you choose iconic over plus. So most of the students know that in iconic you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful? He will be giving you the best study plan. For each and every topic you will be getting specialized notes and practice sets. Fine. The most common complaint what most of the students give me is, sir, even though after completing my entire syllabus, we are not able to apply the things onto the questions. So this is the main agenda of a competitive examination, right? So this is where your coach will be damn helpful. So personalized test analysis, each and every test will be analyzed. Your mistakes are identified and they are rectified so that your score will be boosted. Yes. Now, one more advantage when you choose iconic, you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your mentor and educator so that you can speak with them personally. regarding your difficulties facing during the preparation, so that you'll get the best solutions for that. One more advantage when you choose Iconic, you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes, right? So that right, you can complete all your software courses. Coming to next one, right? Whatever you get in Plus, yes, you will get in Iconic course, right? In Plus, the classes will be on live pattern, which will be completely structured, right? Completely structured. So you can choose your own courses and batches according to your need, right? Comprehensive course, crash course, rank improvement batch, right? Quizzes are available, weekly tests are available. So how much you have to invest? If you are choosing Plus, if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 63 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, you'll get my guidance and you'll get my entire group guidance, right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right, finally to me. And you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 46,728 for 24 months. For 12 months, it will be 32,126 after discount. It's for 18 months. Coming to Iconic, it will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months. And this is for 18 and 24 months. Right? And for Iconic subscribers from July 1st week, right, you will be provided with physical notes prepared by topmost educators in India. So this will be very, very advantageous to you. So do try to subscribe to Iconic. Right? Chal, let's start our discussion here. Yesterday, मैंने discuss किया ये points, right? Basics of Venn diagrams. So we have solved some questions there. Right? So see, I have ended at this question here. So this is the question which was asked in the examination. Similar type of question was asked in GATE examination also. So I will be solving that question there, then I'll come back to this, right? So this is the question there. Observe the same type of question. So I will solve this. Next question you should solve for me. 40 students watched films A, B and C over a week. So by this I can decide this is a 3 variable Venn diagram. So I'll draw the 3 variables there. Second, give me 1 second, I'll draw it. The 3 variable Venn diagram. So total, how many students are there? 40 students are there. Sorry. Total can be represented as mu. There are 40 students, it seems. And the movies are A, C. Write down none here. Right? And see here, I'll write down the value. C, B, right. Observe the question there. Each student, I'm underlining this point there, each student out of 40, each and everyone, student watched either only one film or all the three means, or all the three means. There are no such students who watched exactly two. There are no such students who didn't watch a movie there. Am I right? There are only students who watched either all the three or exactly one. By this, what can I write down? My exactly two values has to be 0. By this, you can decide this. P value is 0, E value is 0, F value is 0. And my none value will also be 0 because there are no such students who didn't watch a movie there. This was asked in 2018 mechanical examination. Now, 13 students watched film A. Now see, observe here, this is not only A. It is not given only A. Completely A. So the entire circle of value is nothing but equal to 13. This is what given there. Come to next one. 16 students watched film B. So B value is 16. And 19 students watched film C. So C value is 19. How many students watched all the 3 films? Your G value is the question asked. So how shall I solve this, right? Up dekho, you know this value, this 40 is nothing but equal to A plus, B plus, C plus. So DEF is 0. N is 0, so automatically I'll remove all those 0 values there. So this is your total value now. Now I will add the circle value separately, right? Up dekho, if you add the circle value called A, only small a and small g values are leftover things. So A plus g is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 13? Yes. Next one, come to B circle. B plus G is nothing but equal to 16. Yes, perfectly done. Next one, C plus G is nothing but equal to how much here? 19. Okay, fine. I'll add all those things. So I'll get an equation there. A plus B plus C plus 3G. The similar thing what we have done in strawberry, all those cases. Am I right or wrong? So 30, 39, 48. So 48 is the value there, and you remove this value called 40. So what will be left over? 2g is equal to 8. Am I right or wrong? And my g value will be equal to 4. This is what the question asked. So your option number C exactly satisfies there. So see here, I am not using any set theory principles to solve this question, using basic layman approach to solve this question so that you can remember it very easily. As I have solved this question was asked in CAT examination, right? Similar type of question. What was asked in GATE, next year it was asked in CAT. So I'm expecting you guys to solve this question. 2 minutes. Do try to solve this. Same pattern, right? Same procedure. So most of the students by this time, you have acquainted with solving this, writing down the data into Venn diagrams. Now the next step, right, be strong on solving the questions easily, right? Don't try to write down huge equations. If you write down huge equations, automatically you are going in a long process, right? Try it. Any answer? Seconds more. So do try to do it, right? Unless until if you don't practice, suddenly in the examination nobody can solve it. So a club has 256 members, it seems. Okay, fine. Answers. So a club has 256 members. So total. If you are not acquainted with Venn diagrams, it takes so much of time to solve the question. 256 members. So again, it's a 3 variable Venn diagram. What I will do, I will draw this. Let me draw the diagram there. Right. A club has 256 members, of whom 144 can play football. Is it given only football? No, it is given football. So the complete circle of football value I'll write down here is 144, it seems. Okay. 123 can play tennis. Is it given only tennis? No, tennis, right? So I'll write down here. So tennis complete circle value is 123. And 132 play cricket. So none. So see, write down the values there. Done. So 132 play cricket. Chalo, let's see there. Moreover, 58 members can play both football and tennis, right? Is it given only football and tennis? No, it is given football and tennis. Football and tennis intersection value is D plus G. So D plus G value is given as 58. And 25 can play both cricket and tennis, right? Again, it is not given only cricket and tennis, right? Cricket and tennis. So E plus G value is given as 25. Now, while 63 can play football and cricket, F plus G. F plus G is nothing but equal to 63. This is the point that I would want to explain you. If every member, and I'm underlining this point, if every member can play at least one game, matlab there is no such member who doesn't play any game. So your none value is equal to 0. Perfectly done. Then the number of members who can play only tennis is the question asked. Only tennis means you are asked to find out B value beta. You are asked to find out B value. Okay. Hello. So how shall we solve this question there? How shall we start? Can anybody say? Waiting for your answer. Waiting for your answer. So I know this values there. So D plus E plus G plus, okay, it doesn't make any sense here. Any other value? Any other value? C. I'll solve this question like this. I'll solve this question. So what I will do is, in this cricket circle, I know F plus G value. So I don't know C and E value. So by this, can I write down this as C plus E is nothing but equal to 132 minus F plus G value. Is it 63? What will be the value left over there? So see, I have done in an easiest way, right? Not doing any equations, nothing, right? So this value is 69. 69 plus 63 is nothing but 132. Perfectly done. So you closely observe there one more point. From total 256, I will remove football circle. So what will be left over there? B plus E plus C value will be left over there. Am I right or wrong? Yes. 256 minus 144 will be how much? Calculate this value and let me know the answer there. You can easily make it. 256 minus 144 is 112. Again, so our aim is to find out B value, and you know C plus E value as 69. Yes, I know the value of E plus C as 69. 112 minus 69 will be how much? B value will be 43. That is my answer there. See how simple I made it, right? I didn't wrote any equation, right? Writing down large equation, solving that, right? Takes so much time. So in the previous class, you guys have understood how to transform this data into Venn diagram. This class, try to focus on solving the questions in an easiest manner so that you can solve the question fatafat very, very easily. Now your option number 43. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Done. Chalo, let's solve the next question which was asked in the examination. This is also a previous year question, ma. 2017 gate wala question. I am expecting you guys to solve this question. Again, 3 variable data, easy question. Just if you can write down the data, you can solve the question there. 32 seconds. Any answers? If you can frame the diagram, make this answer very easily. No answers, right? In a college, there are 3 student clubs, it seems. So by this, I can decide that this is a 3 variable Venn diagram. We draw the things there. So total, and I don't know the total value, as per the data, right? By reading the first sentence. In a college, there are 3 student clubs. I'll write down the values also. ECE. So 60 students are only in drama club, it seems. It is given as only in drama club. I'll write down the, first of all, the clubs there. So drama is the first club, dance is the second club, and math is the third club. So according to this data, only drama club, the value is 60. I'll write down rating. So A value is given as 60. 80 students are only in dance club, it seems. Only in dance club is this one, 80. 30 students are only in math club. 30 students means this one. 30 are in only math club. 40 students are in both drama, right? Is it given only drama and dance club? No, man. There is no such point called only. Both drama and dance club. Both drama and dance club means intersection point of drama and dance club. D plus G value is given there. D plus G value is given as 40. Okay, fine. Now come to next one. 12 students are in both dance and math club. Dance and math club means E plus G value is given as 12. 7 students are in both drama and math club. It seems drama and math means F plus G. F plus G is given as 7. Okay, fine. Very good. Coming to next one, and 2 students are in all the 3 clubs, it seems. 2 students. By this I can frame all the values now. If G value is 2, then what will be my D value? D value will be 38. I'll write down this 38 here. If G value is 2, E value will be 10. If G value is 2, F value will be 5. Okay, fine, very good. Now closely observe there, if 75% of the students in the college are not in any of these clubs, it seems. So none value is nothing but given as 75%, it seems. So matlab remaining values are 25. Then the total number of students in the college. So total represents, I'll write down all the values there. Total represents A plus B plus C, D plus E plus F plus G plus N is nothing but equal to total. And I know all these values sum, and this represents 25% and N represents 75%, which total has to become 100%. I hope so I am clear there. I can do it very easily. अब देखो 25% का value कितना था, add those all things, then you will get the answer there. 25% का value. So I'll add this, right? D plus G is 40, 60 plus 40, 100. B is 180, okay, 80, 180, 180 plus 10, 190, 190 plus 30, 220. Am I right or wrong? 220, 220 plus 5, 225. So 25% value is 225. Then you are asked to find out 100% value, my total number of students in the college. I hope so you got my point there. 25 ones are, 25 fours are. right? 4 into 2, 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 4 8s are 2. 4 8s are, is it 1900? 1 second, man, calculate this. 225 into 4, 900. So your answer is 900. So your option number A. See here, if you can frame the diagram correctly, here you are unstoppable, right? You can solve any question up to any level very easily. So let's little bit increase our toughness, right? Normally maximization and minimization of Venn diagrams are not for GATE level, but in all your standard textbooks where you prepare your GATE examination and also campus placement Naukri series, of course it is for campus placement series, right? Maximization, minimization is there for that. So I'll discuss that questions also in detail for you. So this is the question. First question I'll deal for you, right? Hi Arjun, first question I'll deal for you. Next question you try to solve it, right? How to do maximization and minimization. So an MBA class has 100 students and every student has to choose at least one elective among the three. So there are three variables here. I'll do this three variable first. I'll draw the diagram. Then you can have more clarity regarding this, what we are doing there. So see here, total value is nothing but equal to 100. I'll write down this value here. Total mu equal to, so I'll write down this one. The first variable is marketing. The second variable is macroeconomics, right? And the third variable is HR. I'll write down none here. This one A, C, E, G. Now you closely observe there one point here regarding this. Take a better, what is the question asked? So right, and every student has to choose at least one elective amongst the three: marketing, macroeconomics and human resources, it seems. So your none value has to be 0 because there is no such student who is there that there is no such student who doesn't take anything. At least they should take one. Now 50% of the students choose marketing. Is it given only marketing? No, it is given marketing. Matlab entire marketing circle value is 50%, means 100 out of 50, 50. 70% of the students choose macroeconomics, means macro value will be 70. 90% choose human resources, means 90. Find the minimum. Now see here, maximization and minimum number of students who choose 3 electives, it seems. Okay, fine. So coming to this point there. Now see here, let us go in a general approach, leave about this topic there. So you have 3 plates with you and these 3 plates are screwed with a screw, are kept together with a screw. G is your screw which keeps your 3 plates equally in equilibrium. Am I right or wrong? This is the pivot value called G which keeps your 3 plates balanced. Am I right or wrong? OE value which keeps your 3 plates balanced. Am I right or wrong? So you should focus on this G value more, ma'am. So that if I give some weight to G, let us suppose if I give some weight to G, this G weight will be transferred to marketing, macroeconomics, HR, all the 3 variables. If I give weight to A, automatically it tilts down here. If I give to B, it tilts down to that. If I give to C, it tilts down to C value, right? So to balance these 3 plates together, if I have to keep a weight, then my first choice must be G, so that it will balance these 3 plates, right? Without mathematics, I am speaking out there. And again, this G value is asked to find, and you are asked to find a G minimum value, it seems. Fine, okay. Now, and the minimum value should be 1 because 0 is not possible, because at least each student has to take at least one subject. So G value has to be minimum 1. So how should I start my point there? How should I start my point there? Closely observe there and let me know the things there. Means if my G value has to be minimum possible, my A, D, F, B, E, C values has to be maximum possible. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? So how to do this? Chalo. First of all, you cannot take randomness, right? Am I right or wrong? Randomly you cannot start, because in the examination you will be not having more than 2 minutes. So you cannot do randomly. I'll do one thing. So my aim is to make A, B, C maximum, so that my G will be minimum. So how to make, so what value shall I give for A? There again there is a confusion there. So I'll go like this. Once closely observe there. So first of all, remove HR circle. If you remove HR circle, automatically none is 0. What are the alphabets left over? A plus, D plus, B is the left. And A plus D plus B, if I remove 90, now A plus D plus B value will be equal to how much? Is it 10? Similarly, remove marketing circle and none. So what are the leftover values? B plus E plus C. B plus E plus C is nothing but equal to 50. Okay, done. So again, remove BEC, you have removed marketing, you have removed. Now remove this macroeconomic circle. If you remove macroeconomic circle, A plus F plus C. A plus F plus C is nothing but equal to how much, ma? Remove the 70, this will be 30. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now, closely observe there. So I want to make my G minimum value. I want my G minimum value. Means I have to make my A maximum. A max. What is the maximum value that you can give for A? You got two equations there with A. So can I give 10 or can I give 30? I cannot give 30, because see, if I keep 30, my total sum has to be equal to 10 now. So I cannot give 30. The maximum value that I can give for A is 10. So by this, my D value is 0, my B value is 0. So I'll take down like this. My A value is 10. My B value is 0. My D value is 0. Am I right or wrong? Got my point there? Yes or no? Perfectly done. Now keep the remaining points there. Now my A value is 10. Okay, finally. Now see here, my B value is 0. How much must be my E plus C value there? So what maximum value that I can give for C? And again, you closely observe there, F plus G has to be equal to how much? 40 bar. Because see here, already you have removed 10 there. F plus G has to be 40, means C plus E has to be how much? 50. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Closely observe there, and again E plus G has to be equal to how much? Now you got my point there. E plus G is equal to how much? Is it 70? Yes, perfectly it is 70. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Yes. Now you got my point there. Now what maximum value can you give for C there? Is it 50? No, you cannot give 50. If you give 50 here, it will become, the total sum is 30. Na? I cannot give you that point there. Now what shall we do there? Any idea? Any idea? Please let me know. Waiting for your answer. Max value. Max value. Anybody? Dekho bhai. Now my E plus C value has to be 50. It is satisfied here perfectly. E plus C value has to be 50. Okay, done. Now again. Any other values there? Now again, my F plus C value has to be 20. How can this be possible, right? F plus C value has to be 20 only, it seems. Any answer there? Waiting for your answer. How to make it maximum and minimum? So I took my D value, B value as 0. Chalo, we'll do like this. So what I can give, sir, I'll do like this, ma. If I give C20, my F value will be 0 and automatically G value must be 40, right? This is very high value, right? G minimum value has to be taken now. So how to do this? Any answer for this? Any answer for this? And waiting for your answer. Anybody got this idea there? A value, A max I can take 10 only. Share value is 19. Yes. Any one lead. If I give you that, automatically answer will be over here. Chalo, right? I'll do one thing. I'll give C20 ma. If I give C20, let us check whether we are going wrong. I'll come back. I'll write down in blue ink and I'll come back. If I give C20, my F value has to be 0 and my G value has to be damn surely 40. Am I right or wrong? And my E value has to be how much? E plus C, it has to be 30. Now this G value is 40, right? Can I make this G minimum? Yes, I can make G minimum. Now see here. Can I do like this? I'll do like this. I want to make my G minimum. So what I will do, I'll write down F20. If I make my F20, C value will be 0. If my C value is 0, then my E value will be how much? 50. So see here, try to give exactly 2, exactly 3, so that it will be shared value. Shared values will help you to solve more questions there. Am I right or wrong? So see here, my G value has to be how much here? 20. So that my entire diagram will get satisfied. G is the center pivot. If I give G 20, 20 plus 50 70, macro is satisfied. 20, 20, 40, 50, marketing is satisfied. 20, 40, 50, 90, completely satisfied. So my G minimum value is nothing but equal to 20. This is the way to solve maximization and minimization. If whenever you are asked to find out maximization or minimization, focus on G value first and then try to solve the question there. Then DEF, then ABC. That will be very, very helpful. I hope so. I am clear there. Done. Hope so clear. Yes, perfectly. Or otherwise, so you can start like this also. You can take, see here. If you have any confusions, I'll do like this. This also can be possible. I'll take down like this. I'll show you once again. Observe there. ADB na BEC is nothing but equal to 50. Next one, AFC is nothing but equal to 30. Sir, I took A as maximum na, which is making me more confused. So I'll change my scenario there. If you change the scenario also, you can solve it very, very easily. I'll show you how. I'll take down this 1 second. First, we are focusing on G. The next status, let us focus on D first. Now see, I'll make my D max. If I make my D maximum value, automatically it can be shared to 2 circles. So I'll take D max there. D max. If I take what value can I give for D? 10. So that my A value is 0, B value is 0. So A is 0, B is 0, D value is 10. Perfectly done. Let's come. I will make my E value maximum here. What maximum value can I give for E? 50. Then automatically my B value is 0, my C value is 0. So see here, I gave E 50. Now see here, come to next one. Now you closely observe the AFC. Now I'll give my F value maximum. If I give F value maximum 30. So see here, if I give 30 here, so my A value will be 0 and my C value will be 0. Will it be possible there? Now 50 plus 30, 80, 80 plus 10, 90. So 30 plus 40 plus 10, 50. Now see here, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70. My G value is 10 only here. Now see here, did I minimize it more than that? Yes, I have done it. So this is what, right? So first go for G, then go for DEF values, then you can solve the questions very, very easily. So see, my G minimum value is not 20 now. My G minimum value is 10 only now. See, my pattern changed. My G minimum value is changed, right? So never ever go for extreme values there. Go for intersecting values, and in that intersecting values also go for G first, then DEF first. Then you can get the answer very, very easily. So my G value minimum is 10 only now. So 50 plus 30, 80, 80 plus 10, 90. Perfectly done. Hope so you got my point there. 50 to 60 plus 10, 70. Everything got perfectly there. So you will be acquainted with the questions, man. Don't worry about that. We will solve many questions like this. Right. So I will solve the 33rd question in this. I am expecting you to 34 and 35 to be solved by you. I'll write down the data also here. Okay. Let's come to the questions there. Again, maximization and minimization. These questions are based on the information given below. So by this you got a conclusion there. Focus on A, D, G, then D, F, then G. Be very happy. So I'll take up this total value. These questions are based on the following information. In a class of 150 students, means total there are 150 students. Each one likes at least one subject among science, social and English, it seems. I'll take down this as science, social, English. Take down the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G. अब देखो none value is 0 according to the data given there. None value is 0. So 80 students like science. Is it given only science? No, it is given like science. So 80 students. So total circle value of science is 80. 70 students like social, it seems. Okay, fine. अब देखो बेटा, there is no such data given for English. Have to. So this is the data given there. So our next step cannot be forwarded because I cannot find out the individual values with the given data here. So let's go for the questions there, then we will see what is the first. All the questions started with if clause. So if, so I'll solve 33rd. I'm expecting you to solve 34, 35. I'll give you 2 minutes for this. 33. If the number of students who like exactly one subject. So exactly one subject means A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is equal to 90. Is the question asked, what is the maximum possible number of students who like English? So English matlab you are asked to find out English circle value, not only English, English. C plus E plus G plus F. C plus E plus F plus G. This is the question asked and you are asked to find out maximum value there. Chalo, I'll do this. Let's come back. So I'll write down in writing because every question the data has to be changed. Na? So the point given in the first question is A plus B plus C is given as 90. And C plus E plus F plus G is the question asked. And again, this has to be maximum, right? Maximum possible. Okay, beta. Now I know the total value 150. So this data A plus B plus C is equal to 90 na. So by this, what can I write down? My D plus E plus F plus G is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 60? Yes, it is 60. That's totally 150. Chalo, what can we solve regarding this, right? I don't know the English value, ma. So I can do one thing. If I remove sign circle, B plus E plus C will be left over. Am I right or wrong? B plus E plus C will be how much? 80. Is it 70? Yes, perfectly. If I remove B plus E plus C, 80. If I remove social circle, A plus F plus C is equal to 80. So what I will do is, how shall we start this question? So I'll do this now. D plus E plus G. Now see here, C plus E plus F plus G has to be maximum matlab. Has to be maximum matlab. The individual values in the C plus E plus F plus G must also be individual values in English circle must also be maximum. As I said, I will start with G because it will be shared equally to all the axes perfectly. So I will take my G max value as 60. Let us see if it is not working out, then I'll go back. If I take my G value as 60, then my D value is 0, E value is 0, F value is 0. Am I right or wrong? And you closely observe there, my A value has to be how much? 20. Is it working out? Let's check down. I'll write down 20 there. And now see here, it is 60. So my B value has to be 10. 60 plus 10. So 10 plus 20, 30. So this has to be how much? Damn surely 60 only. So is it working out? 60. Let's check there. Now our total has to be 150. So 60 plus 60, 120. English circle value is 120. Plus 20, 140, plus 10, 150. Yes. So I can give maximum value of C plus E plus F plus G max is equal to 120. I hope so. You are clear. I am clear. So see, only initial question it will take little bit time and you will be stressed. Remaining questions you can easily solve, and there is an option called D 120. So I'll remove the things there. So you can go back and check the data. We'll remove the things there which is not relevant to the next question. I'm expecting you guys to solve this question. Remove the data which is not relevant to the. So I'm expecting 34 from you. I'll be giving you 2 minutes. Try this. So expecting a student should be little bit active here. Dull though, right? They get motivated to take a class. Seconds more. Answers. So if the number of students who like English is 90, I'll write on this thing. So C plus this question data. C plus E plus F plus G is given as 90. The question asked, what is the maximum possible number of students who like only science? It seems only science, and you are asked to find out maximum. So I'll go back and I'll write down the data there. Now you are given with this data. I'll write down in writing C plus E plus F plus G is given as 90. Am I right or wrong? 90. Okay. So the question is, you are asked to find out B max value only science, na? Only science. So you are asked to find out A max value. A max value. Sure. So first of all, C plus E plus F plus G is given as 90. I'll write down in red ink. So I can write down this one from total 150. If I remove A plus D plus B will be like, if I remove English circle, that this is the values left over, and this values are equal to 60. Am I right or wrong? So what is the max value from this equation I can give for A? I can give 60. I'll start with 60. If it doesn't work out, then I'll go back, right? If I give A 60, then my D value, B value must be 0. Nearly done. So what's remaining 20, what I will do is I'll give to G, because G satisfies all the three values now. I'll go for G. If G is 20, now this is 0, F is 0. Now come to E. E will be how much? E has to be 60. E has to be 50. 50 plus 20 na. So I'll give E 50. E 50. And my G is 20. 50 plus 20, 70. So how much must be C value? C value has to be 20. Will it work out? Let's check. This complete circle value is 90. 90 plus 60, 150. Yes. If I take A 60. So how are you deciding that A 60 means from this equation, right? So this is what you cannot go randomly by throwing a number on A and then checking it. So how many throws will you do? This will be a time taking procedure for sure. And my A value is 60. Is there any option there? Yes, A value is 60. There is an option. Similarly, I want you guys to answer 35th question. I'll take down this data outside. Not relevant for the next question. To try to solve this 35th question, I'll be giving you 2 minutes. So I gave little bit more explanation regarding this first question, because your next questions will be very, very easy to solve. That's my agenda there. Seconds more. Nobody. So the question there, if the number of students who like English is 100, the point given in this question is C plus E plus F plus G is given as 100, it seems. So then what is the maximum possible number of students who like social? I'll go back to the data there. Now social means this is the question as max. So of course the remaining data C plus F plus G. I'll write down in blue ink on. This is the last question now. C plus E plus F plus G is nothing but given as 100. So matlab, if I remove this value, A plus D plus B will be equal to 50. So what max value can I give for B? I'll start with 50. If it doesn't work out, then I'll go back, right? So I can give B 50. I can give B 50. matlab my D value will be 0 and my A value will be 0. So if this thing happened there, then what about the remaining things? My E plus G value has to be E plus G value has to be 20. So am I right or wrong? Yes, 20. So for, as I said that, I will give G20 because it will balance all the three circles. Now I'll give G20 so that my AE value will be 0. Perfectly done. So my F value will be how much? 60 because 80 now. So this has to be 100. 60 plus 20. This has to be 20. Am I right or wrong? So C value 20, E value 0, F value A 60, 20, 80, 100. Perfectly done. And this value is 100. So what max value can you give for B? I can give 50. Everything is satisfying perfectly. So 50 is your option there. C. This is the way to get maximization and minimization questions here. So we'll do more number of maximization and minimization questions. Before that, I already gave you the basics of two variable data. So I am expecting you guys to solve these questions here. So this is the question there. So first, let us solve this question. I'll give you 2 minutes for this two variable data. Two variable data, we'll solve it. Then we'll come back to the maximization and minimization wala question. Okay. To try to solve this.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Any answers for this? Sorry for the disturbance there. Yeah. Chalo, I'll solve this. These questions are based on the information given below. So this is the two variable data. By observation, you can say this. I'll solve this. So total there are 400 delegates. Who attended a conference. So A is none. I'll take down this as tea. I'll take down this as coffee, right? Two variables. There are some questions which were asked in previous year examinations also regarding these two variables. 80 like both tea and coffee means my G value is given as 80, right? Both. Whereas the number of delegates who like coffee, is it given only coffee? No, like coffee means B plus G is twice the number of delegates who like only tea. Only tea, it seems. Only tea means B plus G is equal to only tea means 2A. Okay, fine. Coming to next one, the number of delegates who like neither of the beverages N is half the number of delegates who like only coffee. Only coffee is nothing but B by 2. Right? So already you know your total value is A plus B plus G plus N is equal to 400. So I'll do like this, ma. In the place of A, I'll write down B plus G by 2. So can I write down like this? B by 2 plus G is automatically 80, na? G by 2 will be 40. In the place of A, I'm writing down this. Plus B plus G value, you already know it is 80. Plus N, in the place of N, can I write down B by 2? So in order to find out my alphabets, all 400. So B by 2 will be B, plus B will be 2B, and this 40 plus 80 will be 120. I'll take down this B value will be 280, right? B value will be how much? Will it be 140? Yes, it will be 140. My B value is 140. So my total coffee aspirants will be how much? 220. What will be my T value there? A value. So this B plus G, 140 plus 80, 220 by 2, is it 110? Yes, it is 110. So what will be my N value? N value 140 by 2, is it 70? So am I getting 400? Once check ek bar. 110 plus 140, 250, 250 plus 70, 320 plus 80, 400. Yes, perfectly. I can do my question there. How many delegates like T? How many delegates like T, it seems? T means complete T circle value. 110 plus 80, is it 190? Is it given only T? No. 190C. How many delegates like none of the beverages? None of the beverages is 70. Come to the next one. How many delegates like at most one beverage? At most means your maximum level is 1A plus B plus N. This is the question asked. Ab dekho, from total 400 remove 80 and the remaining thing will be the answer there. 320. Yes, it is 320. Back and option is right. Perfectly right. Let's do one more question here. Yes, this is the question which was asked in GATE examination only. And it was asked in many examinations, not only GATE, 2019 GATE, 2017 GATE, and also in many examinations. Even in CAT, it was asked once. Try this. Any answer easy wala question ma. Just I'll turn the nobody got this seriously. Easy wala. In a community, everything is given in percentage. So what shall I do? I will take this total as percentage. Later on, I will change it if you are asked about numericals. Of course, you are not asked in numericals. So total value, mu value is nothing but equal to 100%. In a community, there are two variables: the persons who speak Hindi and persons who speak English. So A, G, B, now come back to this, right? 60% of the people know Hindi, it seems. 60% of the people know Hindi means complete Hindi circle is 60. 40% of the people who know Hindi, first of all, how many know Hindi? 60% know Hindi. In this 60%, 40% of 60% do not know English means exactly A value. So how much will be this? Will it be 24? Yes, it is 24. So G value is nothing but equal to 36%. What will be your B value? Now see, again, if each person of the community know at least one of the two languages means none value will be 0%. 0%. So automatically this is 60 means this has to be 40, and total English speaking persons, what percentage of total number of people know English is the question asked. How much is this? Is it 76%? Those who can crack this idea, and automatically you can solve this question there in your option number B as easy as possible. Right, tomorrow I'll continue with more number of 3 variable data questions so that we can solve many questions like this. Right, I hope so you have understood this class perfectly. Right, and as you all know, I deal with GATE ESE and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock combats. You can unlock the free classes on Unacademy app with my code NLN10. The price for plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Coming to iconic, it will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Yes. Now, you need not wait for any educator to help you or any person's help, right? Unacademy has an extraordinary wing. When you have any doubt, right, Unacademy ask a doubt, you just click the picture of the doubt, select your preferred language, and you'll get the video solution within minutes regarding your doubt. You can upload 2 to 3 doubts at a time so that you can clear all your doubts at once. So I have done more than 120 sessions for this campus placement, right? So do try to attend my campus placement strategy sessions. Right, so the interaction level will be 50x more than on this YouTube channel, and it will be an electrified and gamified environment on the app. Do try to attend my special class, and do try to join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding the classes. Please hit the like button and share my classes if you like it, so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDFs, and hit the bell icon. Right, thank you, and let's meet tomorrow sharp the same time.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.